children. Children, today in my case I am going to take a lesson for you. Okay. So before I start, I am going to talk to you about that lesson. Little here and there. Children, you all have gone to a park, no? Yeah. Even I love going to the park. Even you love going. So what will you go and see in the park? Apart from playing on the slides, apart from playing on the swings, seesaw, no? That climbing up those iron bars. We do a lot apart from that, isn't it? Yeah, daddy and mommy goes for a walk, grandma, grandpa goes for a walk. Sometimes we take a cycle also and go and ride over there. We go play with the flowers, we cut the flowers. Am I right or wrong? Yeah. Children, apart from this, we have trees in the park. Have you seen the trees? What all does the tree have? Yeah, it has leaves, it has flowers, it has twigs and sticks, branches. No? In these big trees, on the branches, do you see anything apart from all these things? We see nests. We see eggs in the nest. Apart from that, who lays these eggs, children? Birds. Who lays these eggs? Yeah, birds. So children, today we are going to learn about Birdie the bird. You know what's the name of the bird? Birdie. Birdie the bird. Okay children, now I am going to show you the story. Please listen to it carefully at least 5 times.
Birdie the bird.
Hi, I'm Birdie. I'm a bird. I have 2 wings. 1, 2. I can fly high. I can fly low.
Birdie the bird.
So what's the name of the bird, children? Birdie the bird. Birdie the bird. What's the name of the bird? Birdie the bird. Birdie the bird.
Hi, I'm Birdie.
Hi, I'm Simoran. What is he saying? He's saying he's Birdie. Can I say I'm Birdie? I'm not Birdie. I'm Simoran. So I'll say, hi, I'm Simoran. He says, hi, I'm Birdie. So what will you say? Hi, I'm Vimla. Hi, I'm Asman. So you have to include your name, children, not Birdie's name. So what did you say?
Hi, I'm Birdie.
Hi, I'm Simoran. Okay?
I'm a bird.
What is he saying? I'm a bird. What is he saying? I'm a bird, but I'm not a bird. I'm a woman. Or I'm a lady. I'm a woman. What will you say, children? Will you say birdie or will you say woman? No. If you're a boy, you'll say, I'm a boy. What will you say? I'm a boy. And if you're a girl, I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Okay, children?
I have 2 wings.
I have 2 wings. I have 2 wings. How many wings?
I have 2 wings.
See, he says he has 2 wings. I don't have wings, children. I have 2 hands and 2 legs. What Miss has? 2 hands, 2 legs. Do you have hands and legs or do you have wings? Obviously, I have hands and legs. Where I have wings? I can't fly, no? So I have 2 hands, 2 legs.
1,
So what is saying? 1.
1,
He's showing his wing, 1 wing.
1,
So what you should do? You should show 1 hand. Okay, 1 hand.
2, 2,
So how many wings he is showing? 2 wings. How many wings?
2,
Now how many hands you have to show? 2 hands. Lift up both your hands, children. Lift up both your hands. Very good. Now show both your legs. Touch both your legs. Very good. 2 legs, correct?
I can fly high.
I can fly high. What is Birdie doing? He is flying high. He is flying.
I can fly high.
I can fly high. Birdie can fly high. No? Like I can run, I can walk. You also can run, you also can walk. We can't fly, but Birdie can fly. So how is he flying? He is flying high. He is flying in the sky.
I can fly low.
I can fly low. I can fly low. Same way, we can't fly, children. We can only run, walk, we can jump. That is what, children, we can do with our legs. But Birdie can fly with his wings. So he can fly high, he can fly low.
Let's fly high and low, like Birdie the bird.
Yes! Fly like Birdie high and low.
Let's fly high and low, like Birdie the bird.
Yes! Fly like Birdie high and low. Fly like Birdie, fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, high and low.
Children, you can see activity, lyrics and song written here. So it will come continuously for your children. What you have to do in activity, you have to learn how the bird flies. Up and down, high and low. Okay. So you can learn about it. Then you can go to the lyrics and learn the words of the song correctly. You can repeatedly listen to the song and then in the end, children, you can sing the song. One more time, listen, play the song here. Please listen.
Fly like Birdie, high and low. Fly like Birdie, high and low.
You don't need to press anything like this, children. Automatically everything will come for you. You just see the video. Listen to the video and concentrate on the words and how the children are making actions and sing along with them in the song. Okay, children? So children, can you see page number 5? The story is written in your textbooks. You can go and read this page on page number 5. And you have some words here. In the next one, Miss will teach you how to use the words. Like B says B. B says B, bird. B says B, bird. Okay, children? There are other words too. For now, you can learn page number 5. Later on, Miss will teach you the next page. Thank you, children.